So you're a seasonal seller, but you feel like your Amazon PPC campaigns could use some help. You came to the right place. With Amazon constantly changing, staying ahead of the game can be a challenge. In this video, I'm going to share 3 Amazon tips that will help you take your Amazon ads to the next level and give you exactly what you need in order to profitably scale your brand on Amazon. So let's jump to tip number 1, leveraging Cosmo. Cosmo is the latest groundbreaking system that Amazon implemented, focused on understanding the customer behavior in order to improve the online shopping experience. It utilizes large language models based on common sense knowledge generation to improve search relevance and increase sales and conversions on Amazon. The goal is to provide Amazon's Cosmo system with high relevant, intent-focused content that clearly communicates your product's value to your shoppers. By aligning your listing with Cosmo Advanced Understanding, your consumer behavior can improve visibility and conversion. How do you ensure that? Just make sure at all times that the front end and the back end of your listings are fully optimized, containing relevant information about the product, talking about the benefits, the features, and utilize simple language that your shoppers can relate to. In order to test your listings properly, both from an indexation standpoint and assuring also it is optimized for Cosmo, run 4 automatic campaigns: post match, loose match, substitutes, and of course complements, or 4 indifferent campaigns. This will allow you to analyze the search term report that are being generated in order to identify alternate keywords that your customers are utilizing when finding your product. This data is invaluable for refining your manual campaigns and discovering new opportunities to expand your keyword targeting. Now, just make sure that you're targeting those keywords and evaluate the performance. You track, you optimize, and then you repeat. This will ensure your ads show for relevant searches and maximizing your click-through rate and your conversion rate when running advertising. Tip number 2, stop focusing mainly on exact match types campaigns and test all match types. While exact match types can be very effective, you are missing out if you're not utilizing phrase and broad match type. Create campaigns with phrase and broad match type to cast a wider net, always having one ad group for each campaign and one match type for each ad group for a better optimization process. This allows you to gather more search term data information, which can be analyzed and refined in your targeting. Check your campaigns on a daily basis and optimize frequently. Look for high-performing search terms in your phrase and broad match types campaigns and move them into exact campaigns for more precise targeting. This process will help you continually improve your PPC performance and discover new keywords that drive sales. How to optimize effectively? Daily monitoring. Set aside time to check your campaigns on a daily basis. Look at metrics such as click-through rate, conversion rate, ACoS, ROAS, and all the metrics that can be relevant to your strategy. Search term reporting. Regularly download and review search term reports to identify new keywords and opportunities, and of course negate whatever is not working for you. Adjust bids based on performance. Of course, here we are talking about increasing what is working and decreasing what is not working, but always remember that adjusting placement bidding is also important, and make sure that your campaigns go align with a placement percentage strategy. Bid adjustment based on performance. And here we are talking about, of course, increasing bids for the high performing keywords and decreasing for what is not really performing well while you are optimizing. Adjust also regularly the placement percentage based on the campaign goal and of course the performance. Budget allocation. Allocate more budget to campaigns and keywords, making sure that they are always delivering 24/7 and active. Optimize taking the attribution window into consideration. So make sure to pause and negate whatever is not working. But remember, we have an attribution window of 7 days for sponsored products, 14 days for sponsored brands and sponsored display. So make sure that you do take those into consideration in your next optimization round. Tip number 3, variation optimization. Choosing the right product variation is crucial for maintaining a high conversion and an overall visibility. When creating product listings, ensure that variations like size, color, flavor, or scent are relevant and directly correlated one to the other. Avoid adding products with different attributes as a variation, as this can negatively impact your conversion rate and visibility on Amazon. As we know that Amazon's algorithm in Cosmo makes search results more personalized, so irrelevant variations can confuse customers and lower your overall performance. Stick to variations that enhance the shopper experience and make it easy for shoppers to find exactly what they're looking for. When it comes to advertising on products with different variations, make sure to add all the variations to your campaigns unless the campaign is created on a specific attribute that is specific only to one of the variations. For example, if you have a woman's t-shirt in 3 colors, pink, green, and black, targeting pink-related keywords only for the pink variation. Everything else that is general terminology, make sure that all of your variations are visible and added to the campaign. Over time, of course, you will identify your winning variations by pulling an advertising product report from the ad console to understand which are the variations that are unprofitable and which are the ones that are really performing well. Check the organic positioning on these variations and evaluate if pausing the advertising on non-performing variations can improve your profitability. Ideally, you will push the variations with the highest return, click-through rate, and conversion rate. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button and comment below. I will read and respond to each and every one of them. And if you have a question, please feel free to drop it below. I will get back to you.